Toys Warehouse Sale. Up to 80% off on branded toys, apparel, shoes, and baby items. Wow! It's happening now at Rich Prime Global Inc. Grabe, ang gaganda! For sure may mga iiyak na bata. Dahil ayaw nang umuwi pag galing dito sa Rich Prime Warehouse Sale. Mommies, daddies, tita, tito, lola, lolo. This is your chance to buy a gift for your loved ones. For sure, kids will surely be happy. Teka. Paano naman yung mga ninong at ninang? Dahil up to 80% ang masasave nyo sa pagbili ng mga pangregalo. Even pang personal use ng mga baby nyo po. Ito na nga po kami at namimili na. Grabe, ang hirap mamili. Ang dami kasing best deals na super sulit. Kita nyo yung mga footwear na yan? Halagang 100 pesos may mabibili ka na. Meron ding bag, coloring book, at mga gamit pang baby. Grabe, kahit sino yata magpunta dito mag-enjoy eh. Takbo dito, pili doon. Pero syempre, kinuha namin buy one, take one. Kaya guys, save this day. November 14, 15, 16, 21, 22, 23, 28, 29, 30, December 4, 5, 6, 7, and December 11 to 21. Open on Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ito lang yan sa number 34 Scout Aurelio Corner, Scout Limbagas, Quezon City. Thank you so much, Rich My Club PH!